Okay.
Saturday.
Okay, today is February 21, year 2026. Okay. There here we are. We just arrived about 12 noon and it's already 1:30. In fact, we just finished our lunch. Tapsilog. Nako, the best tapsilog in Chandaba. Tapsilog lang nasa it cost only 150 lang, di ba? 150, imagine 150 tapsilog. Tsaka ang sarap. Ay, Mala Hotel ang ano yung quality niya no? Okay, yan si Bel. Kumakain ng buko. Oh, okay. No, kakatapos ko lang buko, fresh buko. Yes, Daddy, mamaya, pundador. And Patrick, mamaya si Patrick, kasama niya yung doggy niya. Yung baby doggy, yung doggy lang, it's only 2 years old. Bagong-bago doggy. Okay. Okay, mamaya magse-sailboat kami.
Saan yung mga sailboat? Ayan.
Yan. Look at the sailboat. Okay, dapat may tent tayo dun no? Kasi yan. Okay. There. Yan. Aba. Okay, let's show you how it look like here. It's so windy. Hindi kami makalipad ng helicopter or plane. Oh. Init. Pero it's very windy today. There. And we will stay overnight here. Yan, si Ted. Maganda kay Ted. Pwede matulog dyan. May shade And here's my tent. Ito kay Mel. And ito kay Danny. Okay. I'll give you a 360 view. Ito yung ganda. It's a Saturday and we are going to stay here for overnight. And look, that's where we rent our cottage. The cottage only costs 1,000 per day. So kung apat kayo, it's only 250. Diba? Mura. So parang nasa hotel nga kami dito kasi when we want to order food, we just call and they deliver to our cottage. Parang it's like staying in a 5-star hotel. Pero yan, dami naman laruan yan, tracker box. That's used to be mine. Napunta kay Danny. Ba't nang wala? Teka, ba't nang wala? Hindi. Ito. Yung screen bila lang off. So ito, I am just finished playing with the Arma. That's Arma Dronite. Yeah. Yan,
Arma ba yan?
Arma yan! Original Arma yan! It's a 2-wheel drive. It can be converted to a 4-wheel drive. You just purchase a 4-wheel drive kit. And I also have here a troller. This is RGT troller. And ang dami ko laruan. Actually, I plan to bring my own helicopter. The helicopter, but it's too many RC stuff. Tabad na ako. Kaya makikilaro na lang ako dito. Ito, this jet boat. It's 3D printed. 3D printed lang. Oh, libad na. Latag na. Ayan. Sila Mel. Lalatag na sila.
Kumain ka na, Patrick?
Oh. Dito order ka lang dito tapsilog. Ang sarap ng tapsilog dyan. Yan kay Patrick. Uy, may babae pa. Siyo. Nakabikini.
Oo.
Oh, dali na. Ayan. Okay, that's a tracker box. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang ganda. Huwag mo lang ito todo pala hindi siya jumpy. Teka. Okay, Ele. Magja-jumpy siya eh. Ayan, magja-jumpy eh. Anyway. Okay. Nandito na kami, oh. Oh, dito. Ang ganda dito. Buti may tree dito. So,
Picture mga ka-Elian, together with my sailboat.
ayan, mamaya. Okay. Anyway, ikutin ko yung 360 view dito. Ang ganda dito, di ba?
Uy, may atras ayos
May atlas yan, reversible yan. Original Futaba from the 1980s. Yung yung ESC, galing pa. Tagal na yun, galing pa sa kotse ko yan eh. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.